Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's by Alexandrus, guys, and today we are back again with another video. Today we will be talking about MXC, which, to be totally honest, as you can see by the title, might be the best exchange, non-KYC exchange of 2024, guys. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. And also, one more thing that I have to disclose is that this video is in collaboration with MXC, but as you guys know, I will still be providing you with my own honest, totally honest opinions, and we'll be touching on a lot of things that they have here. They have some cool features, and because of the collaboration with MXC, I have this special promotion for you guys: deposit and trade to earn 20,000 bucks. And as you guys can see, there is this event that will go on for almost a month, and that is basically progressive deposit program, as you can see, and you can essentially make some money here. Okay, if you trade more, then you can make more in the future bonuses. So, well, if you are interested in exploring that, then I will obviously link this promotional page down below in the description of this video, guys, and you can go ahead and visit it if you want. This also helps the channel, so I appreciate if you will decide to go in. If you already have an account on MXC, then it's totally fine as well, but if you don't, you might as well join with my code. Okay, thank you so much, guys. That's it when it comes to the promo. Just wanted to announce it real quick. So first of all, guys, they have 0% spot maker and taker fees, 0% future maker fees, and 0.0% taker fee. Okay, so these are honestly like the lowest fees I've ever seen. I mean, 0%, 0%, 0.01, that's essentially like nothing. They have no KYC with up to 30 BTC withdrawals. So that's absolutely incredible, and then there is 1800 plus tokens that they have listed, and it's really good for, you know, early adoption and small altcoins that are also constantly listing on MXC. Obviously MXC does a lot of research on those as well, so usually there are high quality coins and altcoins listed, but yeah, basically you can explore a lot of cool tokens, coins here, so that's really cool. And they have a great liquidity for majority of these tokens. They also have a nice user experience and interface, super easy to navigate through, so we'll go all over that as well. They have daily trading airdrops, futures, bonus rewards, guys, weekly and monthly trading competitions. They have a lot of things. Okay, they really do have a lot of things. And speaking of those competitions, for example, you have this one, futures competition, 800,000 USDT prize pool unlocked. You can see how many people are participating. They also have random rewards. They have a lot of cool things going here. So it's a really rewarding exchange, to be totally honest with you guys. And they have this February futures competition, which is somewhere along all of these pages that we'll talk about today. I should have it pulled up, maybe I don't. Okay, so we can pull it up right away, right now, actually. So yeah, as you can see, they have this futures competition ready to win, total price of 6 million USDT, and you can basically participate here. The more people participate, the higher the prize pool is. Okay, so it is also nice and interactive, because well, if more people attend, then the reward is higher, which is really cool in my opinion. All right, so yeah, that's what they have here, but let's talk about some of the features that make them outstanding when it comes to like other exchanges. Okay, so first of all, you can easily buy crypto here through your card, which is very convenient. They also have P2P, which is another cool feature, which I'll show you in a second. Then you can also buy and sell via SEPA if you want. As you guys can see, you can, for example, sell your USDT, which currently I don't think I have anything here, because I had to withdraw my funds. But anyways, you can sell your USDT and receive, for example, euros in this case. And you can choose the convenient payment method for you. Same with buying, you can spend, for example, 1000 euro and receive 1050 USDT. So they also have really competitive and good rates when it comes to that. But another cool thing that they have is peer-to-peer. So this is even better, I would say, because this is from user to user experience, right? So let's say you want to sell your, I don't know, rubles, whatever currency you have, then you have people that are buying them up, and you can check out the price they are paying, what is the limit, how much they have available, what kind of banks they accept. As you can see, for example, you have Raiffeisen here, other banks, and same for the other currencies. So this is really cool. Same with BTC, all of those cryptocurrencies, this is available as well. Then you also have third party, where you can use one of their trusted payment channels, as you can see. So there is MoonPay, for example, which is legit and also very good. So yeah, essentially that's how you can buy crypto here. They also have MXC Master Card, as you can see. Let's apply for a MXC Master Card and top it up with your crypto balance, which is life-changing because you can use it for your online shopping, as you can see, and you can top it up with your freaking crypto balance, guys. Okay, create a card in just 3 steps. To apply for MasterCard online through MXC website, you need to complete advanced KYC and provide passport and personal photo. So this is obviously for the card, and it makes sense. So yeah, that is, you know, you just have to do the KYC. This is obvious, okay? And then you activate it online. As you can see, after the application is approved, you can activate your MXC card online and top up the card through your MXC account, and then your card is ready, and you can use it for your daily spendings, for your online shopping, whatever you really want. Works just like any other MasterCard. So that's absolutely incredible, and I don't think I have seen any other exchange that has this. I'm not, you know, 100% sure on that, but I think they might be the first one to introduce it, perhaps. Not sure again, but it's definitely a cool thing that they have here. And then you have multiple possibilities to make money. Obviously, you can trade your crypto, you can go to markets, you can check out the markets, you can trade futures as well. So obviously, let's see what kind of leverages they have. Alright, so you have up to 200x leverage, for example, on Ethereum. So if you are pure degen like me, then you can go ahead and, for example, trade with 200x leverage. Ethereum, by the way, is just about to hit 3k, so that's kind of cool if you ask me. But yeah, they also have their own token, which is doing very well. So I actually have it pulled up here on CoinMarketCap, and if we look at the 1 year chart, they are still up 131%. As you can see, it used to trade at like 125, and now they are nicely, steadily growing towards the, I would say, $4 or $5 mark. You know, with exchanges tokens, it can really go high up, especially because this is a real working exchange, real working product. So it might be good to buy some MXC token. Obviously not a financial advice, guys, just saying that I would be looking out for it, okay? This is the volume statistics that they have on CoinMarketCap, so these guys are also generating huge volume. One of the best exchanges, for real, I mean it, guys. And getting back into markets, you obviously have your regular spot markets, you have your hot markets, you can go to spot and spot trade, as you can see. Your normal regular trading, you have your futures, you have your perpetual futures, you also have copy trading, which is very cool because you can copy the trades of people who make profit. So for example, this guy here has 35% total ROI. In 7 days he did 187%, and you can basically follow them with your equity, and if you trust them, or you can like diversify it among like different traders, and you can try it out and see, for example, you know, I mean, it's a passive income, to be totally honest, but obviously you have to get in with a good trader. Then they also have savings where you can make some money, as you guys can see, with some decent APRs. This one is crazy, up to 50% on CoreDAO. So you can check those out constantly, and then you can stake in them, and basically you will receive your interest daily. They also have loans, as you can see. Daily interest is just 0.001, so this is also very cool. And then you can repay those loans as well. And as you can see, this is how much they have borrowable. What else do we have here? Kickstarter, as you can see, where you can also hold some MX, and then you get levels, and you can enjoy 3 new token airdrops. Currently they have this one for 50,000 USDT. So that's what they basically have. They have a lot of other features that I will let you guys explore. Obviously they have futures trading, they also have demo trading. They are very user friendly and newbie friendly, I'd say, because well, it is like you can basically like practice your trading. Then you have a lot of education as well here, and basically, like, see, you have all of those guides and stuff, and many other things. They also have been mentioned in Flame News Press, which I'll pull up right now and show you. So 1 second, guys, please. So I've got the article here. As you can see, it has 1200 likes, and well, Flame News has also touched on them. Flame News, basically they have a lot of a lot of newbies that are reading this page, and so it's also cool to see that they have mentioned MXC. I'm definitely gonna drop a like. As you can see, I'm the 1252nd like. So what else I wanted to say about MXC is go explore it. Really nice, easy and simple to navigate through. For withdrawals, you need to set up 2FA on your authenticator app or via SMS code, whatever you prefer. You can give them your phone number and receive codes, or you can use authenticator app, and then basically you really have non-KYC withdrawals. So this is incredible. I know that a lot of you will definitely like this feature, guys. Join the Telegram. They have a huge community here. If you want to stay updated with all the news that they are pushing, drop them a follow on Twitter, just like I did, and you can basically go ahead and follow them here for all the updates and news regarding MXC, guys. Okay, 1 million followers, very active, a lot of cool posts, you know, announcements and all of that. Go ahead, join it. You will not regret. So that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Remember about the promo that is in the description, and also remember to drop a like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.